Hey lovelies, today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful transparent liquid soap made with just few ingredients, no caustic soda and no sulfonic acid. I used 2 foaming agents, 2 surfactants and a foam booster, fragrance, color and preservative, and it turned out so clear and beautiful. This soap works perfectly as both a hand wash and a dishwashing soap. Let's get started. Now let me run you through the ingredients used in making the soap. The first ingredient I have here is SLES, also known as sodium lauryl sulfate, the one that looks like rice. For this I'll be using 250 grams. SLES helps the soap to foam and clean effectively. Next is Texapon. It has this gel-like consistency. It's also known as SLES, sodium lauryl sulfate. I'll be using 500 grams. It's also a foaming agent. Next is sodium sulfate. You can also use sodium chloride, which is the normal edible salt we use in cooking, but I'm using sodium sulfate, the one they call industrial salt, because I want my liquid soap to come out very clear and transparent. I'll be using 500 grams. Next is foam booster. You can use any good foam booster of your choice. There is cocoa betan or cocoa almond. Any one you prefer is perfect. Next is preservative. I'm using methylparaben. Then we'll have glycerin, which helps protect your hand when washing, keeping them soft and moisturized. Next is perfume. You can use any fragrance of your choice. I like to mix 2 different perfumes together. It gives the soap a richer and longer lasting scent. And finally, color. I'm using 2 shades, lemon and yellow, just to give the soap that beautiful bright look. Next, I've got 10 liters of clean water here. I'll go ahead and pour in my SLES and stir until it's completely smooth and fully dissolved. This step is very important if you want that clear, transparent look in your soap. Always make sure your ingredients dissolve properly before moving on. As you can see, it's now well dissolved and well mixed. I'll cover it and set it aside for 30 minutes to completely clear up. While that's resting, I'll mix my color. I'm using lemon and yellow. I'll mix both in a little water, stir properly and set aside. After 30 minutes, you can see our SLES solution is clear and transparent. That's exactly what we want. As you can see how clear it is. Now let's move on to making the liquid soap. I've got a big bowl here and I'll start by pouring in my Texapon and then add the sodium sulfate. I mix them together well to activate them and dissolve any lumps. This particular liquid soap serves 2 purposes. It can be used as a hand wash and also as a dishwashing soap. It foams very well, very well, and is completely safe for both uses. Now, if you want a soap that you can use for more things like washing dishes, mopping the floor, washing your car, or doing laundry, etc. I already have a video on that. It's my multi-purpose liquid soap video. I will leave the link in the description box and it will also pop up at the end of this video. So make sure to click and watch it after this one. Thank you. Make sure to mix till the Texapon and sodium sulfate are smooth and activated. Once the Texapon and sodium sulfate are smooth and activated, I started pouring in the SLES water, a little at a time, and stir after each pour. Keep adding and stirring bit by bit until you have poured in all 10 liters. Do this slowly and stir well so everything blends properly. A big welcome back to all my amazing subscribers. I'm so glad to have you here again. And if today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. My name is Chioma and I'm the voice behind Chiomi Kitchen. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow and reach more amazing people like you. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching and for all the love and support. I'll be listing all the chemicals I use and their measurement in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Once I'm done pouring in the 10 liters of SLS water, the next thing I'll add is preservative. I already mixed it with a little water. After adding, I'll go ahead to mix properly. Then add my foam booster. Mix properly. Next, I'll go in with preservative. Add my perfume and stir everything together again finally. Finally, I'll add color and mix very well until everything is nicely combined. You can use any color of your choice. It doesn't have to be what I used. You can go with yellow, red, even mixed colors. Just use whatever looks beautiful, especially if you're making it to sell. And here is the final result. I will now pour the soap into my 10-liter bucket, cover it and leave it to rest for 48 hours. After 48 hours, our liquid soap is ready, looking clear, foamy and beautiful. No lumps at all. If you're struggling with making the regular multipurpose liquid soap and it always comes out with lumps, try this one. You won't see any lumps in this one at all. You know, this is nice, this is clear, this is transparent. Now, if you feel yours isn't as thick as you want, you can increase your Texapon to 1 kg. That's 1000 grams instead of 500 grams that I use. It will make your soap thicker. Do you understand? And this is exactly how the person I made it for wanted it, because they'll be using it both as a dishwashing soap and as a hand wash. Here is me testing the liquid soap. You can see how well it foams. It lathers really well. This method is very simple to make and gives you a beautiful result. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.